endorsements. So maraming salamat na yung tiwala pa rin sa akin. It's a big thing eh, para pagkatiwalaan ka ng mga produkto at lahat-lahat na may bago, magre-renew. So I'm very thankful na nandun pa rin yan. So kumbaga ayoko nang ilagay sa alanganin once again that trust. So as of now, my main focus is balik sa pag-host, take care of the family. But marami pa rin akong itutulong din naman sa Batangas. But if you talk about running again, hindi ko na naiisip.
How do you support your mother, the governor, in her capacity as governor?
Yung mga nakikita niyo na I would post, na if there are certain functions na hindi niya mapuntahan tapos hindi makapunta her official team, I would go as a son. As a son supporting his mom. Yun ang main goal ko para lang if it's a very important function, then I would be more than happy to attend. But kumbaga hanggang dun lang. I don't have an official designation and I choose not to. Kumbaga pag ako'y pumupunta lang pag nakikita ko sa Batangas, yun ay isang anak na tumutulong sa kanyang ina.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya Nestor. Next na tanong, si Janice. Happy birthday, Janice!
Ay, idol ko to.
Merry Christmas.
Idol ko to si Ate